Below 1,000 meters, the sun disappears and it never comes back.
Past the twilight zone, light becomes a memory no creature here holds.
At this depth, the ocean becomes something else entirely, pure, endless black. The anglerfish doesn't chase its prey. It makes them come willingly.
That tiny light is the last thing most small fish will ever see.
The giant squid patrols these depths, a shadow with eyes the size of plates. Entire fields of jellyfish drift here, glowing like lanterns no one lit. The Siphonophore stretches over 40 meters, longer than a blue whale. Near the ocean floor, hydrothermal vents blast superheated water into the freezing dark.
Life here doesn't need the sun. It feeds on the chemistry of the earth.
Beyond the vents, the Abyssal Plain stretches, silent, empty, and impossibly vast. We have mapped other planets, but down here, the ocean still keeps its secrets.